Realme x50 5G teased to offer 100% coverage of heating sources, include 5D ice-cooled heat dissipation system. Realme x50, the next-generation smartphone by the Chinese company that will support 5G networks, is teased to come with an all-new cooling system. Realme, through a post on Weibo, revealed that unlike offering a traditional heat-sinking tube, the new smartphone will come with a 5-dimensional, ice-cooled heat dissipation system. This is touted to offer 100% coverage of core heating sources. The new teaser comes just a day after the company revealed that the Realme X50 will provide simultaneous dual-channel Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity. The Realme X50 is also rumored to have a 64-megapixel primary sensor. As per the post published on the official Realme Weibo account, the Realme X50 will include an 8mm ultra-large diameter liquid-cooled Cooper tube that will have a volume of 410 cubic meters. The tube will be a part of the 5-dimensional ice-cooled heat dissipation system that is claimed to provide a complete coverage on the smartphone. Earlier this month, Realme confirmed that the Realme X50 would be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. The new processing unit comes along with an integrated 5G modem. This brings the requirement of an advanced cooling system. Realme recently also confirmed that the Realme X50 will offer support for simultaneous dual-channel Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity and support all major network bands such as N1, N41, N78, and N79. Realme X50 specifications rumored. If we look at the recent rumors, the Realme X50 will feature a 6.6-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate. The smartphone would also have a 64-megapixel primary sensor that could be the Sony IMX686 sensor. Further, the Realme phone would have up to 8 GB of RAM and sport a dual selfie camera setup with a 32-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel secondary sensor. Realme is expected to unveil the X50 early next year. However, details about its global launch and price details are yet to be revealed. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.